She's going to be in casual, I can see that.
Yeah.
Stop trying to hit me!
12 o'clock midnight. We've got no fingers left. How did you do it playing on the connector? We handed the fan.
You won't believe it. We'll assume it's domestic abuse.
Looks like she's practicing ballet.
Just like
Tai Chi! Tai Chi!
That's his Tai Chi she's doing. Hazel, see if you take off
Oh, grasshopper!
Hair and everything.
Hello.
Wax on, wax off, Hazel.
Oh, she's really ballerina.
Yeah. Paint the fence.
Hazel, you're just brilliant.
How many cameras are on this?
6. Gosh, for this angle is so much better.
Sticking a tongue out.
No, it's- You're going to bite your tongue off and lose a finger. That fan looks like it's going to take off now more than anything else.
Erin, you got your hand over the lens.
You've got to get around so you can see off this side.
This is going on YouTube.
Yeah. Now.
Oh, it's not my YouTube account. Landy's all over the internet doing an auto dance, so I'll put it everywhere.